In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a block ID in Squarespace. To get started, the first thing you need to do is make sure you've added the Squarespace ID Finder extension to your browser. This extension is what helps you quickly identify the block ID you're looking for. So if it's not installed yet, go ahead and add it before moving on. Having that ready ahead of time will make the rest of the process much smoother. Once the extension is installed, open up your Squarespace site dashboard and click on Website. This will take you into the main area where you manage your site structure and design settings. From there, click on Pages. This is where you'll find the different sections of your website along with the settings connected to them. We're navigating through this area because the path to locating the block ID runs through Squarespace's code and styling tools. Next, click on Custom Code. This section gives you access to areas where you can apply more advanced changes to your site. Even if you're not editing code directly right now, this is part of the route you'll use to get to the right place. After that, click on Custom CSS. This opens the styling editor, which is also where the ID Finder extension becomes especially useful. If you're trying to target a specific block for custom styling or troubleshooting, this is usually the place you'll want to be. Now, with the Custom CSS area open, click the Squarespace ID Finder extension. Depending on your browser, this may appear in your toolbar or extension menu. When you activate it, the extension will scan the page and help reveal the block information you need. At this point, you should be able to see the ID. This is the block ID you can use when working with custom CSS or other advanced customizations in Squarespace. It's a good idea to copy that ID exactly as shown, since even a small typo can cause your code not to work properly. And that's all it takes. The key is simply following the correct path inside Squarespace and using the extension at the right moment. If you're planning to style a specific block, hide an element, or make more precise design changes, finding the correct block ID is an essential first step. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to find a block ID in Squarespace.